Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on 7th August. This is a Bitcoin daily chart, right? Showing my Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, A, B, and C, 4. And I said from there, we're going to be going to the upside. And I opened a couple of long orders here, and it was nicely going to the upside. So it went up to 61% all the way here, where I got out and I made a new chart. So let me show you that. And this is where we end up, 61% of this whole drop. So I closed my trades and I said, well, now from there, we're going to go down either this low here, this yellow band, or break that. If we break that, we're going to go down to 23% line, which is almost around 54. So usually that's what happens. It's like a Gertler pattern, right? It's a harmonic calculation. Price always retraces 61% after a big move. Then it goes back to 23% line, and then goes back to change direction and goes to 78%. So step by step, right? And then either it's going to drop, or is going to be a failed Gertler, and then it's going to go to the upside to 127 extension level. So that happens all the time. You just have to pinpoint what the heck is happening, right? So this is the chart that I made, and look what happened as of today. It came down to this yellow band, right? So it came down exactly where I said that it's going to be coming down. If we break this and go down, we're going to go down to 23% line, which is around 54. So let's see what happened. So I made a new chart today. Is looking like this. Either we're going to go above 56, 552, right from there, we're going to go to the upside. And if we do, obviously, I'm going to see my long trades, long entries, and I'll take them, right? If it drops, I'll leave it alone because I'm not interested in going down right now because this wave 4 is finished. So we're supposed to be going for wave 5 to the upside. So I'm only interested in upside. So either we're going to bounce from here, or if we break this yellow band, we're going to drop to this 23% line and then bounce, right? So if we drop, I'm going to leave it alone and until it comes down here and then start to bounce, and I will see on my smaller time frame, my entry time frames, and with the proper entry, I will make open long positions. All right, so this is how it is. And finally, I want to show the weekly chart look like this right now, right? And this is, you can see it drop here. Then it's like wave 1, 2, big, wave 3, A, B, C, 4, and went up, it came down. So these are a couple of lows that I'm concerned that it may drop here, 54, and then bounce, or maybe bounce right from where we are now, above this number, right? So, trade accordingly and use whatever the system you use. And if you want my system, you can go here, creativetrading.com, and subscribe, get the system, make the chart, learn the system, and trade like that, right? And you have a lot of things there. And don't forget to sign up or subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time, and you can take advantage of. This is the live chart right now for the for Bitcoin. Weekly chart. This is what's happening at the daily chart. This is another version, but this is the one that I just made chart, right? And this is my 40-minute chart. It's making a short setup, but I'm not gonna take it because I'm not interested. And then when it's going to be going to the upside, it may drop a little bit and then go up and then give me long here. Then I'll be interested. If it drops, then bye bye. It can drop. I'm not interested. All right. So I'll be looking for long only. Let's see when I get it. But again, the key chart is this. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon.